Don't forget to like and subscribe before I start this video. Hi there, welcome back to another video. Yes, I know, I don't have OPS. This video is going to be a little different. I'll be exposing some of myself and all that. I do fidgets, you know. Fidgets, I don't know if they're a kid thing, but yeah. So, all the fidget lovers out there, this video is probably for you. Okay, let's get started. Let's get the camera set up real quick. Okay. So let's show all my fidgets real quick. So the first one are my stress. I have this. It's like really good. I love it. This is a homemade Orby squish. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Squishy. This is a store-bought one, if you can't tell. We won't talk about that. The snake. It's very stretchy. This Neato. This Orby squishy. This kind of like a dough squishy. This slime squishy. This beaded squishy. Well, this bead squishy has a lot of texture. And this water squishy. One out of 10. 2 out of 10. 10 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 5 out of 10, around 7 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and a 0 out of a billion quintillion zillion. I do not recommend these. Next, we're moving on to the real fidgets. So the first one are slinkies. They're pretty common, you know. They're really cool. Oh my goodness, my light. Here we go. They're really cool. And I love them very much. Sometimes I just love to just do this. They're my newest one. It's really cool. Next is this really, not really, homemade infinite cube. Yes, I made it. Do not judge, please. I can't afford fidgets, so I mostly make them, or I buy them from the dollar store. Okay, I might make an ASMR video with all my fidgets. Anyway, here's the infinite cube. Okay. Then we have these just basic squishies. Nutella. This came off of a broken Rubik's Cube. You know, I just made it into, you know. Y'all can donate money if y'all want to. And I don't know how you will, but yeah. A fortune popper. Now on to the fidgets I made. I made these off of clothespins. I'm stuck here. And it's a tangle. So all the fidget lovers, comment if y'all have ever made one. Oh my goodness, it's broken right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'll fix that after the video. A bead it, it's actually just some beads on a string. It's actually just some beads on a string. So I call it a bead it. I don't know how I don't know how to make a bicycle chain. So here's like something, I don't know. A mini version of a tangle. And then just some random stuff. I don't know if y'all could see that. Okay, so I have too many of them. So I'm just gonna show them and maybe take one or two out. And then I wanna show y'all something really cool. So hang on, let me set that up real quick so I can show y'all. Okay, I'll show y'all that in a minute. And then my mochis. I have literally so many of them. Like, y'all probably have more if y'all love fidgets. My favorite is the chicken. And the ones right now I'm going to show you. So let me put all my stuff away real quick. Okay, let's hope this shows on camera. Because if it doesn't, I'll just tell you what they are. Oh, they work. I'm showing my face, but you can't see me. Okay, these are glow-in-the-dark mochi. Let me turn off my light. Okay, I know it's pitch black, but here are the mochis. Oh my goodness, you cannot see them. No, that is so bad. Man, guys, oh, there you go. You can see them now. So these mochis are glow in the dark. They are my absolute favorite. Comment down below what you think they are, and if you get them right, I'll give you a shout out, and even more, I will give you a follow back. So yeah, these are the two mochis that glow in the dark. What do you think this one is? And what do you think this one is? Comment down below, because if you get it right, you will get a prize. Okay, anyway, we're back. So, yeah, I decided I'm going to trade with my sister. Yeah. So, she's really shy. So, I'm going to give all my fidgets over here. She's gonna go get hers. Go get him. Hang on, I'll be right back. She needs help. Alright, those are all hers. I had to bring them over. Okay, so I want you to offer for this one. This is her homemade poppet made from an egg carton. I'm showing my face. Let me see. Ooh, a paper squishy. I was like, what in the world is that? That's okay. Then she's gonna add this squishy. So cool. I think it's pretty good. I'll do the trade. Okay, so that was hers. I really have nothing to offer for her, so I'm gonna give these back to her. So whenever she goes with her friends, she can, you know, trade with them. Sneak and go in her bucket and steal hers. Got it back. So that you know, I'll be doing like a little opening very soon, and it's so cool because I can give y'all my username. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and I might be able to do a face reveal, but I won't for private issues, you know? Yeah. Alright. Bye. Squishy on the run.